So alright guys, I really hope you guys like the workout video, and hope it's not not echoing. There are a lot of sounds from somewhere else, but anyway, I really hope you guys can hear me. But here's the thing guys, right now I'm on 2200 calories and that is as low as I get. Okay, for my metabolism it is actually pretty low, and the reason why I'm doing this is I'm actually going to end fast eating. It's going to be done in a while, probably a month. I'm going to reach where I want to reach. So right now I'm on 2200 calories and not a lot of cardio. Okay, I do cardio rarely, like 2 times a week, and my split goes like chest and triceps, back and biceps, shoulders and abs, and then I got legs, then rest. So this is how my schedule goes. 2200 calories, around 170 grams of proteins, 220 or 30 carbs, and 60 grams of fat. So this is how my macros are split up. So I just thought I'll let you guys know and enjoy the rest of the video. Alright guys, so we basically hit a shoulder workout today. It was a shoulder and abs workout, a low volume workout because shoulder is a small muscle group and also abs are a small muscle group. So a low volume workout, kind of a low volume day. Tomorrow is going to be a leg day, and day after tomorrow is going to be a leg day. Tomorrow is going to be more of quad dominant, and day after tomorrow is going to be hamstrings and glutes. So yeah, this is how the plan works right now. I still don't like the fact that people stare when I record, but I need to get over that. I'm really working hard to get over that so that my vlogs get better. So alright guys, we're eating healthy today. We're going to do some Subway. I'm having some chicken tikka sub, and then some Lays, and then some Lipton iced tea, and also a cookie. So this is what I'm doing in the afternoon, lunchtime, because I'm super duper hungry and I want to keep it healthy, right? We keep it healthy in here. Alright guys, so this is going to conclude the video. Thanks a lot for watching. Like, comment and subscribe. For online coaching, you know what to do. And I'm going to go get something else to eat because, you know, I'm really hungry. I'm still hungry. The lemon tea, it's really good. It's been a long time since I drank lemon tea. But yeah, I'll be back with another vlog and training footage, and I'll see you guys on the next one.